Evaluation question number 2. How effective is the combination of your main product and ancillary text? Advertising across different media can help an artist become more recognised and become more recognised in the public eye. Knowing this, we wanted to have a recurring theme across all three media texts so that the audience could see the consistency between the main product and ancillary text. I've used various elements such as font, colour, theme and image. My music video is a prime element of my project, so therefore I wanted to link my magazine advert and digipack to this. As we chose to use the After Effects and change the colour to black and white, I wanted to relate my CD and magazine advert to this theme. I continue this theme throughout my digipack and magazine advert and use similar images which relate all three texts together. Using black and white for my music video, digipack and magazine advert helps the audience to relate to these texts and therefore helps them to relate to the artist. These shots suggest unhappiness and sadness, which relates to the song, and this was a theme I was aiming for from the start. Also, by using black and white throughout all three texts, the audience will be able to see the similarities between them, which therefore promotes and advertises the artist. The image on my magazine advert is very simple but effective. The artist is looking away from the camera with little emotion shown, which relates back to my music video. As in my music video, little facial expressions are shown. Throughout the two ancillary texts, I have tried to create a tight relationship between one another. I've used the same font on both the magazine advert and digipack, which shows continuity, and also I've used the same images on both texts in order to create a similarity and continual theme throughout. Both of these similarities enable the artist to be recognised and show clear links between one another. Furthermore to this, the images used, the artist is showing little emotion throughout the music video, and this has clearly been shown through the images used in the ancillary text. According to the theorist Richard Dye has noted, a star image is an image constructed from a range of materials. For pop music, these materials include the songs and the lyrical themes and musical structures, genres. The record covers, singles and albums display a large part of the images the artist wants to create and present to an audience. Music videos, which may draw upon the image presented in each of these other aspects. I have conformed to this theory by creating coherence between the three texts, which I have therefore created a star image. In an institutional context, an artist releases a song and music video as a lead single from an album before the album is released. During this time, it is important that the artist maintains the style of their music and the style of the artist is continuous throughout. In the digipack, we use the same costumes and locations to which the music video is set in, which creates continuity and establishes the star. The images we use are set outside, which relates to the music video, as most of the video is set in an outside location. The costume which the artist is wearing is fairly plain and suggests he is emotional due to the circumstances. Using the same locations and costumes throughout all three texts, this allows the audience to recognise the similarities. Within the industry, this could be a selling point for the artist.